Hi everyone, my name's Robert.
Hi everyone, my name's Raquel and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
As you know, we have recently purchased the Sony A6400. We purchased it along with the kit lens. So today, we're asking you, the viewers, a question or a series of questions. Is it worth investing in pricey lenses when you can still get the same image quality you want with a standard kit lens? Here are some images we shot using the Sony 16 to 50mm OSS Kit lens on the A6400 in a studio environment.
Here are some of the facts that we found. Around 95 million photos are uploaded to the internet every day. So do you think the images that we took, are they good enough for social media or a website? Would you consider using it instead of investing in expensive lenses? Do you think we rely on the latest gear, believing it will improve our photography?
We would love to continue this conversation in our Facebook group, the Photographer's Creative Workshop. And you can share some of your kit lens images on the same group. So guys, just to wrap up, if you like the video, hit the like button.
And if you don't, let us know in the comment sections below. We've asked some questions. We would love for your interaction and feedback so that we can talk to you at the same time. So please do that. Also, the model that was involved in this shoot, his social media links will be also down in the description box.